Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Sebastian Bautista. I study at Manuela Beltran University Online. Today we will describe the personality and appearance of a person. Let's start. The person I am going to talk about is very friendly and trustworthy. His appearance is strong on the outside, but very good on the inside. Physically, he has brown eyes. He is nor dark short. His hair is a dark. He seems to be older, about that just because of his mustache. He's very interested in fiction and horror subjects. He is very much to be aware of the situation in the world. Do end. The person I am talking about likes the following sentence.
Never stop chasing your dreams.
Thanks for watching the video.
Created using Autumn.